fitting a new button to a slide. This was the original button. This is the new button. This has a nice concave shape to the outside, to the hand, but it won't fit. So what you do is you take a file. Let's work on it together here. You want it as snug as you can get it. So you want to not take off too much. I want to be able to push it on. It's also true that the shape of the inside of the hole is like this, rounded, not squared. So I'll take off the square corner here and here so that it will fit into that hole a little better. Now I can still work the sides. I'm not in any rush. It's close. You'll notice I take off a little bit on both sides. Keep it even. It's very, very close right now. See something. It's not, it still needs a little bit more off so that when I tap it, I can lock it on. That's perfect. Okay. Now I'll mix up metal epoxy. I suppose you'd like to see that too. So come on down and we'll do that together here. I'm going to need a screwdriver. Put this in. Put the epoxy in. That'll do. So I have this and this. Since I'm working with epoxy, I'll come in and get a plastic glove on both hands. And then when you mix epoxy, you want to do it on an index card like this. So we'll take our screwdriver and this, a little bit of paper, and down we go to the basement where the chemicals are. You want to make sure you don't take off too much off the end of that slide, so you really want it to be tight on the button. That'll help to make sure it never comes off. Okay, so here we are now. Let's mix up our goo. Two-part JB Weld Metal epoxy. It's some of the toughest glue you can get. It's two-part. I mix this a little blob like this. And then I mix a little bit of part, this other part here, like that. They're not glue until they mix together. And that'll go back there. Okay, now spin and twirl and mix it together. It'll be a gray, kind of a. You pull this apart. You fill in this hole with the epoxy. It's done manually, just by sticking it in. You want to make sure that you get a lot of it in there. And it's solid. Okay. Clean off the thing here. Wipe this off. And I rub it right onto the card there. And I'm ready to apply the slide. I'm just going to take and push the slide right into the hole. Okay, and then get it into position and make absolutely sure it is totally flush. It's a perfect fit. I want a little bit more glue here in there than I see. So I'm just manually filling it in. Come here. Wipe. I wipe. And I use the index card to do the final clean off. Okay, I've got that. Now, these get wiped off. This goes here. There's trash. Up we go. Okay. While it dries, slide will be placed in a book. Right like that, just sitting up.